Today I want talk about hexagon door closer. To speed adjustment, reverse left or right handle facing, adjustable arm. Let's open the box. This is introduction. The box for section closing speed. Installation notice of door closer with stop function. Before you install, you must read the installation first. Adjustment of close speed. Here, counterclockwise for fast, clockwise is slow. Install the support combined supporting plate adjustment link. Here is complete installation. Main body, arm, screw. Interaction of the door closer installation. Here I show you before you install at the door. Main body, install the supporting plate. Screw here. Here, adjustment lane, long or short in your door. Here, adjustment closing speed 1 and 2 screw. Clockwise is slow, counterclockwise is fast. Here I want to try how to install at the door. Look here. Mark 4 holes on the door and 2 holes on the connecting holder of the door frame, and the gray hole of 5.0 mm. Oh, now we install the main body to the door at the door with 4 screws. First screw, second screw, third screw, 4 screw. Install the supporting plate and adjustment link. Look this video carefully. Very easy. Remax hexagon door closer. Mark 2 holes at door frame. After that, gray 2 holes. Now we screw at hole you do in door frame. You can use spanner, screwdriver, 10 mm for fit the connection based on the body. After installation, your door can open. If you can open the door after installation, reverse the main body. Don't panic, reverse the main body and install process. Fit the connection base. Now in different body. Now try open the door. Look like door close very fast. We must setting adjustment closing speed. Adjustment speed. Adjustment speed. Here have two screw, one closing segment and two closing segment. Installation drawing on the left open door. That is drawing. Counter clockwise is fast, clockwise is slow. You adjust here, one screw, two screw. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoy.